Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting. We're getting ready to make some balloon stands. Yes, we are, guys. We have 2, 3 and 3/4 chunks of wood right there. You see that right there? You see that? You see that? You see that one right there? Yes, ma'am. This is 3 and 3/4, and we're getting ready to make two, not one, but two balloon stands with that. And over to your right, we have 2 pieces of wood we're going to make into wooden plaques. So let's go, guys. If you have been wanting to make your own balloon stands, I got you. Let's go. We're getting ready to do this. All right, guys. I'm back from outside. What I did was I went outside, I sand these. These right here are my blocks, my wooden blocks. What I did was I round them off, as you can see here, and round off the edges. And I gave them a real good sanding. And I like this piece of wood. Very, 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 very heavy. So you say, what are we going to use these for? We're making balloon columns with this. This is my base. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stain it. We're going to put a nice stain on it, and then after the stain, we're going to put some shellac on it. Then we're going to put these right in the middle. These right here, I believe, are connectors for PVC pipes. And asking for, I believe these are called connectors though. So what we're going to do after that, we're going to drill a hole. I'm going to take you step by step with this. We're going to drill a hole, and we're going to put that in the hole, and then we're going to put some wood glue in it. We'll never have to worry about it moving. Done them before. Going to work forever. These wooden blocks here, I call them, are very, very heavy. That will keep the PVC pipe. This is a PVC pipe here. This is the connector that I was telling you about. So you see the connector? So all we're going to do is we're going to stand it up just like this. And then we can build our balloon arch from here. You guys know I've done, I showed you guys before how I did my balloon columns. But this is an upgraded version. And this one here is going to be super, super cool, guys. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to start staining. Robin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting, guys. So we're going to continue with the next step to this balloon arch. So what we did was we went outside yesterday, we sanded, we stained it, and now we're going to prepare it for to put this PVC connector inside of our wood. So the next thing we can do is put the PVC pipe inside here to prepare it for the balloons. So we're going to get straight into that. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys some of the tools I'm working with. What they do is they make holes in your wood. They make different size holes. Like this one is 1 1/8. This one is a bigger one, 1 3/8, 1 1/2. This thing is the bombdiggity.com, guys. I always tell you guys, don't be afraid to work with tools. I was, but now challenge you to work with it. So that's what I want you guys to know. Please don't be afraid to work with tools. So what we have here is 3/4. That's going to be the size of this hole here. It's a 3/4. So, and another thing we're going to need is some wood glue. That's how I'm going to lock in that connector. So on that note, I'm going to make my hole. I already put my mark in here, and this white piece here is where I need to put my drill. Make sure your drill is fully charged, because you will be needing a drill at this point. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to press it down. I'm just going to go slow so we can start. Two feet 11 inches. So with this here, all you do is you just press it down, and you'll take some tape, some very heavy tape, some black masking tape or whatever kind of tape you have, and you tape this down, because even if you know somebody would kick it over or move it over, you don't want it to pop from right here, right? See how that is? You don't want it to pop from there. So just lock it in, secure it in by putting some tape around it. I'm going to blow up a couple of balloons while I have you guys here real quick. And this is something else that I was telling you about. If you don't want to cover it with this brown, you could take something just like this here and you could cover it. Even if I cover it with brown, if somebody was having a wedding silver and white, I would take this and glue this down. This is what I was telling you guys. You can use material, you can use whatever you like. But this is a cool way of doing this, especially if you're having a wedding or party and you know your balloon's going to start from here. So all of this is going to be seen, right? So you can cover it with whatever you want. Flowers, just whatever you want. Okay guys, so what I did was I went and blew up some balloons. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to connect it to the we're going to call it our base that we just made. And again, you glue this down, you tack it down, you use a stapler gun, however you want to, you can do that. But again, I'm going to leave mine's the wood color. I'm just going to put some polyurethane on that. And then if I decide that I want to change it up, and I can still do that. But so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this one here and this one here and lock it up. Balloons in there. But that's how that one goes, guys. Just like that. Just like that. And as you can see, this thing, this bottom piece will hold this. You can move it, shake it, bake it. It's not going anywhere. You can actually pick it up. That's why I said make sure you put when you doing your base, use your wood glue. The wood glue is going to seal it in. I'm going to tell you something. It's not going to move, and you can have these things for years. I made a pair of balloon collins maybe a year and a half ago, and I still have them. I don't have no problem out of them. None. And I love them. I still use them today, but what I wanted to do was I have a party that I'm doing, and I need four columns. So that's why I'm making these two here to go with the two that I already have. And it's going to be red, white, and blue balloons. So that's going to be really pretty. So you're going to come in here, and all you're going to see is red, white, and balloon columns. You're going to see 4 columns of red, white, and blue balloons. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. I hope you guys picked up some hints, some tricks to how you make this. And everything that I use, guys, and everything that I use to make this can be found in Lowe's or Home Depot. Just remember, when you go to buy your PVC pipes, you're going to need a PVC cutter. Do I have a PVC cutter to show you guys what it looks like? Let me go see. Put it back. I wanted to show you my balloon pump. It's just a standard pump. You can purchase this. I purchased this from Amazon. Works perfectly. Had it for 3 years. No problem. They got bigger and better ones if you choose to get them. I'm sticking with that. That does the job. Yeah, they even got one that does foil balloons now. That's a new one. If you want to do foil balloons, they got you. I just seen it on Amazon. Not too expensive. I think it's $39. But believe me when I tell you, it pays for itself. And this is my balloon size. Okay, it wasn't this color. It was a natural wood. I love to put color on everything. And you see that? That's the color it was. It was a natural color, and I just stained it. This is a balloon sizer, like I said, and this right here, I think it's a 7-inch balloon. So they go all the way up from 2 to, I think this is a 12-inch. Yeah, 2 to 12. Yeah. So this is what I use. This is the largest one here, and this is what I use to blow up, to size my balloons. Right? This is the smallest. When you're making, when you're using these, use 5-inch. Don't use the big balloons to try to do this. This is not going to work. Get yourself some small 5-inch balloons. Fit there, work here, and it works here. And this is what I use when I want to hide my spaces. I blow up those size balloons. I think that's a 2-inch right there. And I blow up a bunch of 2 inches, tie them together, and just thread them through. You'll never see anything, the white pole in my balloons, my balloon stands. So, guys, thank you for joining me. I really, really appreciate you guys. And just remember, I love you. And have a pleasant day. You guys come back anytime. If you guys want to see me do a balloon column or a balloon arch or a table balloon, whatever. Anything dealing with balloons, just let me know in the comment, and you know what, we can have some fun with this. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking me out. This is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. Have a pleasant day.